Hello friends, good morning. It's Sunday morning and I'm about to make a quick pilau for my husband and I decided to film it for you all. So if you're interested, let's start cooking. I have 3 cups of parboiled rice, 1 can of dried pigeon peas, about 15.5 ounces, rinsed, 1 package of peas and carrots, half a small red bell pepper and a half of a celery stalk chopped, 1 onion chopped, 4 scallions, green onions chopped, about 6 tablespoons of green seasoning and 2 tablespoons of garlic, thyme, about 10 sprigs of thyme chopped, and hot pepper to taste. I also have 1 can of coconut milk. I seasoned the chicken with a little bit of the green seasoning, about 2 tablespoons, the celery and a few pieces of onion, salt and black pepper. We'll add in the brown sugar and allow it to bubble, froth, expand and darken. The heat is on medium. It has bubbled, froth, expanded and darkened. I'm just moving it back and forth to make it an even color. Make sure there are no raw grains of sugar. Now we'll add in the seasoned chicken. Stir quickly to combine. I've raised the heat to medium now. I had lowered it so that the sugar will not blacken or burn. I'm going to stir this up and cook it for 5 minutes and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. The chicken has been cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm going to stir it. As you can see, the color is developing. We did not add too much seasoning, else it would have had a very darkened, dull color. And the ketchup in the seasoned chicken really helps to bring out a nice rich color as well. I'll add in the green seasoning and the garlic. That's about 4 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon of the garlic. I'll add in the thyme, and today I'm chopping it up. I'll add the hot pepper. Add according to your taste and preference. I'll add half of the scallions and half of the onion. And I'll stir it. Once the color seals, I'll add in the coconut milk. And after about 10 minutes, I'll add in the peas and the rice and the vegetables. Alright, so I'm going to cover and cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to make a quick coleslaw. I have a 14-ounce bag of coleslaw mix, 1 scallion chopped. And now I'm going to add in my mix. This is mayo, a little bit of heavy cream, and sugar. We'll mix it in, and our coleslaw is done. Now I'll mix it well to combine. You can also add an apple in here. The recipe is on cookingwithria.com. Creamy, crunchy apple coleslaw. But we're not adding the apple today. We'll place it in the refrigerator until we're ready to eat. It's been cooking about 15 minutes. It will continue cooking after we add the other ingredients. I know chicken needs about 30 to 40 minutes total. Looks lovely, smells amazing. The color is absolute perfection. Now I'm going to add in the remaining ingredients. I'll add in the washed rice, 3 cups of washed rice. And there's still liquid at the bottom of the pot there because I want to use that flavorful stock or this flavorful base to flavor the entire dish. It's like its own stock. When I was younger, I would wait for the liquid to evaporate, but now that I'm older, I have smartened up, and I know this is going to be really helpful to develop the flavors. I'll add in the pigeon peas. Here we have the peas and carrots, a half of a celery, and the remaining onion. I think I'm only going to add half of that, let's see. And also the scallion. We'll mix it all together. Absolutely delicious. The only thing we didn't add in here is pumpkin. You can certainly add pumpkin if you wish, and also some grated ginger. Now is a good time to taste it to make sure that it has enough salt, because this is your last chance. I'll add just a little more. The taste of salt must be evident at this point, must be strong. I'll add 1.5 teaspoons, so that's a total of 4.5 teaspoons. And you may require less. And I'm using Himalayan salt. I'll give it a last mix, and then I'll add the coconut milk. I'm adding some freshly ground black pepper. We ran out, so today's the day to make some. And now I have mixed the coconut milk with hot water, about 4 cups, but I'm thinking we may not need all of this. You could mix it with probably only 2 cups of hot water, or 3, because I won't be using all of this. That's about half there, just until it comes to the top. You'll add liquid according to how soft you want your rice, whether you want a wet product or whether you want a grainy product. If you want a grainy pilau, add less liquid, but I like mine somewhere in the middle. They call it WAP, wet something pilau. So I'm going to bring it to a boil, cover it, and let it cook for about 30 minutes. 20 to 30 minutes. Taste for salt one more time. I think I'll add a little more. A little more salt for me, maybe different for you. And that's it. We'll cover and cook 20 to 30 minutes. If you want it grainy, don't stir. If you want it soft, you can continue to stir it. It's been cooking on very low heat for about 20 minutes, and this is it. It's done. Absolutely delicious and wet, just the way I like it. Nothing else is required. Just a plate and some salad. And my husband is serving himself. He has some nice coleslaw, his favorite cucumber salad. And that's it. Lunch is ready. Absolutely delicious. Come and get it. And that's all there is to it, my sweet friends. A quick and simple chicken pilau. I hope you give this one a try. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a lovely comment below if you wish to see my channel grow. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share, and love, and have a fabulous new year. Bye bye.